So now that we have a good understanding of what cybersecurity is, we also know that cybersecurity is not just about hacking into systems, but it is also about defending them, right? It is also about creating risk management programs. It is also about responding to a particular incident, analyzing malwares, creating antivirus softwares, etc. Since there is no single task here but a variety of things that needs to be done, we have divided cybersecurity teams into three. Okay, and this division is made on the basis of their role and responsibilities. So we have three teams. We have red team, blue team, and purple team. Red team are the guys who hack into these systems legally, right? These are the guys who attack. So in professional world, we call them penetration testers, ethical hackers, or security analysts. Then we have blue team. Blue team are the guys who defend or prevent a hack from happening. They are also responsible for detecting if there is some incident happens and also to respond. Also, they respond to that particular incident if there is any. Also, yeah, in professional work, there are roles like incident response and SOC analyst. So SOC analysts are basically people who monitor the network and website traffic in order to see if there is any anomaly there. Then we have purple team. Purple team are the guys who attack and defend. Okay. So what exactly are we trying to do here? Well, we are basically simulating real world attack scenarios with the help of red team. So red team is the team which legally hacks into our systems or assets. Okay. Once they hack into it, they create a report and they send it to the blue team. Now blue team is responsible for mitigating or patching uh, those vulnerabilities which are reported by the red team. Okay. So this is a loop that continues. So we have products are built, red team is asked to hack into those products or assets, report issues, and then blue team mitigate those issues. Okay, so let's have a look at this exercise that red team carries out. So let's say you have a company XYZ, okay, and I am a penetration tester, I am a red team guy. So you come to me and say, hey Achint, I want to test my website XYZ, or I want to get my company XYZ tested from you. Okay. So I'll sign a legal document with them, which basically allows me to hack into their system, right? They are agreeing to it. Once that document is signed, I will start with my methodology, which is information gathering, vulnerability finding, exploitation, and reporting. So information gathering is where I'll find information on xyz.com. Okay. I'll try to find what all websites they have, what all IPs do they work on, what are their servers, what are their employees, what's their email, and things like that. So basically a brief information, not really brief, but a comprehensive information gathering stage where I try to find information on xyz.com. Once I have identified enough information about XYZ's infrastructure and employees, I'll start with vulnerability finding. Now here I can try to find vulnerabilities which already exists, which means they are known vulnerabilities, they are present on the internet, or maybe I can also find some new vulnerabilities there. Okay. Once I have identified vulnerabilities, I will exploit them. Exploitation is needed in order to show what's the real impact of those vulnerabilities, right? Once I'm done with that, I will create a report in which I'll mention everything from information gathering to vulnerability finding to exploitation, and also how the blue team or the developers can fix it. Once I create this report, I'll send it to xyz.com. They will review this report and apply patches which are required in order to fix the identified vulnerabilities. So this is how these different teams work together in order to create a more secure cybersecurity space.